This is the U.S. Navy LCAC 34, a class of air-cushioned landing crafts or hovercrafts, and we believe it is currently stationed at Joint Expeditionary Base Little Creek, Fort Story. In our last video from the balcony of our hotel room, we saw it taking off and then returning to the sand many times, and we decided to walk down and see what was happening. It was on land as part of an annual military event where a pop-up military village is set up on the sand. We heard it being referred to as the USO Experience, Virginia Beach. There were a bunch of other armed forces vehicles and related events happening. The Hampton Roads area is home to a slew of military installations, including Army's Training and Doctrine Command, Navy's Fleet Force Command, NATO's Allied Command Transformation, and the Air Force's Air Combat Command, where if you ever visit Virginia Beach's oceanfront in person, you will almost be guaranteed to hear or see a fighter jet flying off over the Atlantic. See the links below for the Wikipedia pages on air-cushioned landing crafts, the general term for a military assault hovercraft, the U.S. Navy's Hovercraft LCAC Wikipedia page, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring this vehicle with us here at VR Virtual Studio.